Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of viewing your Facebook search history from the Account Center. If you're curious to explore your past searches or want to review your search activity, this full guide is for you. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your device. Look for the familiar blue icon with the white F and tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. Once you're inside Facebook, locate the 3 stacked lines in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to open the menu. Step 3. From the options displayed, tap on Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a sub-menu with various settings and privacy options. Step 4. Now tap on Account Center. This is where you can manage your connected accounts and settings. Step 5. Inside Account Center, tap on Your Information and Permissions. This section allows you to control your personal information and privacy settings. Step 6. Next, tap on Search History. This is where you can access and view your Facebook search history. Step 7. Select your account from the options displayed. This will show you the search history specific to your account. Step 8. Voila! The results you see on the screen are your Facebook search history. Take a moment to explore and review your past searches. By following these steps, you can easily view your Facebook search history from the Account Center, enabling you to retrace your steps and recall past interests. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. We're here to help. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.